Hello, my name's Lee Stafford. I'm here. We're all very excited. I've just done a masterclass for all the students.
Why did you want to start hairdressing?
You're very fortunate, you guys, being here at the Academy, because you've got some great teachers, great recipes. That's the best way to get the strongest wave. I'm prepping now for the masterclass for all the employers this evening. It's an absolute salon belter.
I'm a hairdresser myself and I've come along to this event. I've always loved Lee Stafford and we actually got to learn something about some of his techniques, which is absolutely fabulous. I'd definitely come to the seminar again.
Yeah, it was a really good evening. Learned a lot. Lee's a really nice guy. It's nice to do a Q&A at the end. Buzzing, want to cut hair now?
We've had a fabulous evening and value for money, definitely want to come again. It's a real chance and opportunity to have an insight to bigger salons and what's going out in the industry.
Look forward to seeing you later.